In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host your very own event on Vimeo. Whether you're planning a lively webcast, an educational webinar, or an exclusive team meeting, Vimeo provides an easy and streamlined way to get started. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can confidently create and manage your event. First, navigate to Vimeo's homepage. Once there, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice an option labeled New. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear from which you should select Host Event. This is your starting point for setting up any event on Vimeo. Once you've clicked Host Event, a new window will pop up. Here, you're faced with some initial setup choices. Vimeo offers a few convenient options. You can customize the settings yourself, use the recommended settings provided by Vimeo for general purposes, or copy settings from another event you've previously hosted. Each of these options provides flexibility depending on your familiarity with the platform and your specific needs for this event. After making your choice, you'll encounter another window asking you to select your event type. Vimeo covers a range of event types to suit different goals and formats. You can choose from a live broadcast, a structured webinar, a collaborative team event, an online learning experience, or an entirely custom-made event. This selection will determine the format and some of the tools available to you later. Within this same window, you'll have the opportunity to configure additional settings for your live broadcast. Decide whether you'd like to stream directly from your web browser, which is generally more straightforward, or opt for using an external encoder if you're seeking more advanced broadcasting capabilities. You can also set your desired latency, which affects the delay between your live event and what viewers see. Additionally, explore other features. You can enable chat for audience interaction, automatic closed captions for accessibility, and, if you're a premium user, even event registration to capture your audience's details. Moving forward, another window will prompt you to enter your event details. This part is all about giving context and specifics to your viewers. Start by inputting the event's title, a comprehensive description that informs and entices potential viewers, and the schedule, which includes the date and time. Be careful to select the appropriate time zone to ensure consistency across different regions. At this stage, you can also set your privacy preferences and decide whether or not the event should be recurring. With all these details finalized, you're finally ready to launch your event. The excitement builds as it's time to go live. Navigate once more to the top right corner of the page, where you'll find the Go Live button. With a simple press, your event is launched for your audience to join and enjoy. Congratulations! Now you're equipped with the knowledge to seamlessly host events on Vimeo and reach your audience in engaging and professional ways. Thank you for watching, and happy streaming.